Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to attempt something that I've mentioned a few times. I'm going to attempt to convert this disc-bound half-letter DIY planner with these large discs into a hybrid to work with the A5 rings or half-letter rings. Originally, this planner was in this cover. I'm considering converting to rings for the next month, which will be March. So I've taken this out and I did a hack showing how to convert this cover into a ring bound binder or planner, however you want to call it. And it worked. But then there's also room, I think, that I can still have discs in here so that I can have the best of both worlds. The only issue is the size of the discs. These are a little too large, and how the paper is curled up around them. I don't know that that is gonna work. So I'm going to attempt to put this on smaller discs. I don't need everything that's in here. I think I really just want January and February, and maybe some grid pages, some dot grid pages from Isis Ella Jewels. So I'm just going to take some of this out and see if I can make that work on smaller discs. At one point I had some different discs on this planner, and the pages would not turn properly. I'm still having a little bit of an issue with the pages turning, although these are tool, all of these I think are tool discs. These are kind of just leftovers from other notebooks and planners, and so I just kind of alternated them. But I don't know why. I kind of have an idea, but we'll see if that continues. So I did a disc haul back when I started having that issue. I just didn't share it. So these are some of the discs that I have. I have these 1-inch tool discs. They are plastic, not metal discs. I got these I got for storage, kind of. These are 2-inch discs from Tool. And I think I got these when they were on sale, knowing me. It's been a while though, like back in the summer. I've had them that long. Then I also got this 1.5-inch in black. These are black. I got some more of the clear. The clear are 1.5-inch. And then I got this one. This is the Happy Planner. I think I got these from Joann. All of this came from Office Depot. These medium discs from the Happy Planner, they had to be on sale once again, or I used a coupon, but they are like holographic. I don't know if you can see that. They have the different colors. I'm not sure what size these are. They're probably, if these are 1-inch, then these are probably 1.25 inch. Or maybe they are 1-inch too. I don't know. Anywho, so these are the discs that I have at my disposal. Really, I could only use 2 of those for this, and these still might not be small enough, but I thought they would be a good match for the rings here. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start building my new planner. Let's see. I'm going to keep this because I feel like I need something tough to go up against the rings. And I'm probably going to need to put something tough on as the last page of the rings to go up against the discs. And these are not metal, they are plastic. So I got 3 extras. Let's put those aside. Get my favorites. So I need all of this. This is my favorite vellum. We got the rest of the stickers, holiday stickers that are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, and the list of prompts for the Scrapcraftastic 2023 weekly planner and journal challenge. So all of that I need to transfer over. This is my Tombow markers tracker. So the colors that I have in Tombow markers, keep that. And my dot grid paper. I don't think I need the goals page. So a few pages of dot grid. For now, I'm going to leave these. These are my content trackers. I haven't really been using them, so I'm just going to leave them in here for now. Actually, I can just flip that onto the back. This is a dashboard. I think I'll take it and use it. I don't know. I had issues with that coming off before, so maybe I won't. Then this is all grid paper from Isis Ella Jules. Do I want to put the dividers? I don't want to keep moving these because they are a cardstock, and eventually where it's punched at is going to wear out if I keep moving them. Hopefully it won't. I'm just going to take a few pages of the grid paper and put on here because I don't want this to get too thick. And before I even go any further, let me check. Let's go ahead and put this on the back. Make this the back page. There's no point in moving everything over if this isn't even going to work, right? So let's check. I'm going to slide this in. Even though those sticky notes are there, I'll move them later. Okay. And then, I don't know. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Because of the way the rings, how's that gonna work when I close it? Or could I move them over some? Let's see. I can move it over some. I don't know that that's gonna work. Let's try something else. Let's move this back over. And I'm gonna move it all the way to the back. Like so. Stuff back in there. And let's see if this will work in the front. It's probably gonna be the same issue. Oh, I got the tab on there. Here we go. Let's do this. Let me try something else on the back because none of that is working. Let's try this one. I'm thinking maybe I should use the other pocket. That popped off of the rings too. Okay, I don't think that's going to work. So maybe I shouldn't go any further. Yeah, it's just coming off of the rings. The only other thing I can think to do, let's try sliding it into the second pocket. That works even less. Okay, so that's a fail. That's not going to work. I was really hoping this would work out. Let's move this back over. One more try. I think the reason why it seems like it's going to work now is because I only have, what, 4 sheets of paper on the rings. But once I put more on those rings, I think it's going to be an issue. I'm going to leave that there for now. And I'm going to put something stiff on the rings to see if that's going to make a difference. Okay, let's see. So then if there's something stiff and when I close it, that's gonna have to go up against the disc, what will happen? We'll see. Okay, let's see if this will work. This is a divider from one of my Michael's Recollections A5 planners. I'm just going to pop this on. It's like that heavyweight poly material, and it's a true A5. So yeah, let's see what happens. So here's the issue. The issue is the discs are pushing into where the rings are, so it's not gonna leave a lot of room on the rings. I think the discs are still too big, even though I would love to use those because they're so pretty. I wonder if I could go down a size. So instead of taking all this off again, which as you can see is just easily popping off anyway, I don't know. I had that in the second pocket too. Instead of redoing all of that, let's just take these 2 plastic pages off the discs, and I'll try some of the really tiny discs, the minis, and see what happens. Okay, so those are the tiny ones from the Happy Planner. I think Tool has this size as well, or they used to. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna be sure until there's a lot of stuff on these rings, or more on these rings. But I think that is a little bit better. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So for now, I'm gonna go with this for now. And I need to go on and put some more stuff on here so that the rings don't just keep falling off. Let's go on and put some of the pieces on here and see what happens. See if I can even do this like this. Let's see. I know how I can get it done. Let's go this direction. There we go. And here I go, removing this one more time. See how it just came off so easy? It's because I've been moving it around way too much. It just plops on there. Okay, so I need to make sure I put those away so I don't lose anything. Then I'll transfer everything else that I want to transfer later because this is taking longer than I anticipated. I'm going to put February on here. I hope I know what I'm doing. I know it turns a lot easier, that's for sure. And then here's January. And then that's it. So that is the blank January. Yeah. Okay. We'll see how this works out once I start putting pages in here. I can always just take this out. I do not like this one because it doesn't stay on. So let's pop this back on here. And what can I use? Can I use these two? I think if anything, what would happen is I would just have half of the space on the rings versus the disc. But I'm going to leave it like this for now, and we'll see how it goes as the planner grows. This I'll keep on the shelf close at hand. Let's put this on the back, and then I can pull from this if I need to. So this will go on the shelf for storage, and I'll pull out the rest of the Isis Ella Jewels things that I need out of here, and then I'll just store these. So that is it for this video. Like I said, hopefully this will work. As time goes on, we shall see. If not, I always have my backup. If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, please leave them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.